Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video of me doing my own hair by Unice Hair. They did send me over a wig. Look how cute this packaging is. How cute. And it came with like a band around it, but I'm probably gonna be using this anytime I try to lay my frontals. And it has like a little Velcro on it. Best believe I'm gonna be using that. But the wig I have today is not a lace front wig. It's gonna be basically a V part or like a leave out kind of wig. And I hope it matches my hair. I'm praying. You see how like, but this is a lot brighter. I don't know. I have seen some methods of people putting on these wigs without any part at all. And they just finesse like 2 skinny braids and like, you'll see. So we're gonna try it with leave out first. So it does come with a lot of comb clamps, like these like snap open and closed. If you're not familiar with that. And then it has regular combs on the side. It also has one comb in the back, which is my favorite comb because that is how it stays. It does come with adjustable, what are these called? Elastic to like put in to make sure if it's, you know, tight enough or not. I'm gonna do my face and come back on camera so I can like get the full feel for this hair. So let's do my makeup first and then I'll get back on camera and install this wig. So right here, I'm just parting my hair off. I know I have some gel in the front. This is from an older style I had a frontal on before this. So please don't mind that. But yes, my hair is clean. I promise. It just has gel on the front. So I basically parted off like a small little section just from my leave out. And I'm going to just make like a small little area for my leave out. I don't think you need this much leave out, but I have really thick hair, so this is how much I left out. Literally, this wig was the easiest thing to put on. I just went ahead and put the combs through my hair and snapped it closed, and that was literally it. I absolutely love wearing my hair big. And I also needed it to match my leave out. And my leave out doesn't get as like curly or just doesn't, I know it just has like that kinkiness, like blow dry look to it. So I went ahead and brushed out those curls just to give it more of a natural look and just to blend better with my hair. Now right here, I decided to, for whatever reason, curl my hair with that small flat iron. And as you guys can see, it did not work. Give it just a second. I just was attempting to curl it with that flat iron, and it just wasn't giving the exact curl that was blending into the hair. So I'm looking at it and I'm like, yeah, no, that's not gonna work. So I ended up taking like a small piece of my hair and actually wrapping it around my rat tail comb and then literally pressing the flat iron against it. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But if you guys do have a curling, I think it's called a curling wand, like one of those really, really small ones, that will work absolutely perfectly to match this curl pattern. I just had to do a little ghetto way of doing it, so this was my way of doing it. You don't have to do it this way, but yeah, I do recommend getting one of those small, tiny curling wands. Okay. As you can see, my hair is a little bit darker, but it still gives it like a little bit of a transition into the blonde. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. And then I will say, make sure you do spray your hair before you like wrap it around the comb, or if you have one of those small, what is it called? Small curling wands, that will work perfectly. I just don't have one, so I went ahead and did it my way and just did a little comb and flat iron action. But that is a way that I used to do to get my leave out to match this other curly hair I have. So y'all, this is just a little hack that I do. So yeah, this may also work if your hair is, your leave out is black. I'm not sure how it would look, but this is just how mine looks. I did dye my hair honey blonde. I have a video on how I dye my hair honey blonde, so if you want to see that video, I'll tag it somewhere here. But overall, the hair is super soft. I always love Unice. I usually love their hair, always. If your curl pattern matches this, then perfect. But other than that, yeah, I love the hair. I'm also gonna try to see if I could do like a look without any leave out, because I have been seeing that going around, floating around on the internet. So I'm gonna try to see how I can make that happen. But yeah, this is the finished look on the hair. Let me give you a little bit of the back. And I love big hair on me. It's giving me Beyonce vibe. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye bye.